Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering down and unplugging the Ps5. This prevents electrical damage and lets you work safely. Once done, remove the outer cover by sliding and lifting the corner. This exposes the SSD bay. Make sure to ground yourself with a wrist strap or touch metal to avoid static. Remove the metal bay cover and set screws aside. You'll need the correct screwdriver to take out the M2-slot screw before inserting the new drive. Next, install the SSD. Align the M2 notch and slide the module into the slot at a shallow angle to ensure contacts seat correctly. Once the drive is in, press it down and secure it with the retention screw. Use the included spacer to get the right height. Add the manufacturer's heatsink or the console's thermal cover to manage temperatures. Now replace the metal bay cover and loosely reattach the outer shell so you can power on and confirm detection. Finally, power the Ps5 back up and follow the on-screen prompt to format the new SSD. Formatting registers it with the system and prepares it for game installs. Once formatted, go to Storage Settings to move or set the new drive as the install location and perform a test download to confirm proper speeds. If the drive isn't recognized, reseat it, recheck the spacer and screw, confirm the NVMe spec matches PlayStation requirements, and verify the heatsink.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.